Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have a big news to share with She Walk-in and Shivani Explore-in audience that I will be going to Tamil Nadu for 1.5 months. So I wouldn't be so active on the platform and I wouldn't be able to respond to your comments, but I will try to read and try to respond. So please keep supporting and keep watching. So basically, today I am here to share the news that I am finally going to Isha Foundation to volunteer for a month. And Isha Foundation is in Coimbatore, and the basic criteria to volunteer is that you have to complete the inner engineering, which is the first part of inner engineering, and second is Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. And once you have done these, then you are eligible to come and volunteer at the ashram. So I finished my Shambhavi in September and now I am going to do. Basic criteria to do volunteering at Isha Foundation Coimbatore is that you have to complete Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya and also the 40-day mandala, where you practice Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya twice every day. And then you just go on web, you search volunteering at Isha Foundation. There's this registration form that opens. I will post the links of the form in the description below. And after filling the form, you receive a call where they ask, okay, like the basic questions. That is your first round. If you clear the basic, just the basic, like where you live and when you completed Shambhavi, how was your experience, then you go to second round. In second round, there is another call where they ask more about you. So for example, for me it was like, what do I do, how many people in my family, what do they do, how is my schedule like, why do I want to come volunteer, and that's about it, I think. After this call, I received another form that you get on the mail after this stage, where they ask about your medical history, if you've had surgeries, or if you are on medication, if you have done drugs, if you have done drugs, for how long and which drug. So like full on information they need, which is amazing. And then after that form, there is a last phone call where they ask about like when you are planning to come and for how long you are planning to stay. Again they ask about your medical conditions, and once that was cleared, again it took me 2 days to receive the confirmation where they are like, Akka, you can come and volunteer. So that is how I went for it, and I am going to go there in 2 days. I leave on 30th and I reach on 1st. After that I will be quarantined for 4 days, and on the 5th day I will be taking a test, RT-PCR, and if that's negative, then I start volunteering. So that's how my journey is going to be for next 1 month, 1.5 months, because I will be traveling later on. And yeah, I will be sharing what happens at Isha and all the experiences that I come across. So stay tuned, and thanks a lot for your support, and keep watching, and thank you. Namaskaram.